you want to explain it then? Where the hell are we?
Oh, I'll explain it. We're at a certain airport, can't name the airport for security reasons, but we're in a beautiful hangar with not one, but two, but 5 different aircraft, a couple of helicopters, and this beautiful thing, which is a Cessna M2 private jet, which I'm sure we'll get to show you all about in a minute. Lucy's very excited to get some nice shots, aren't you, Lucy? But we're here on behalf of one of our clients. We're going to be taking some lovely photos with their watches, the Galdo.
Link in bio.
Close-ups, making some videos, making some... I don't know. We're just going to have a go with the cameras, and Dom's already in his element. We'll go from there. Yo, how's it going?
Just hanging in a
We're having a great
chair.
time in here, just taking. We're going to watch hype. That's what we're doing.
Why can't we work it out?
I'm gonna get some shots.
We have some shots. Suiting up a little bit, only half suit.
So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the jet. We come in here and we have the control panel, everything to fly it. And then we have the 4 seats with the pull-out tables, drink holders, and then there's a spare seat back here, but I can't tell if that's the toilet or not. I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask. And then you come out here, and Josh is looking suave. Is that a toilet at the back?
Yeah.
No way.
Little toilet. So you want to go to pee on the plane? Probably not the best place to do it.
It's so public, like there's no...
I know.
Go down there, Luke.
Yeah, I just took my own out to try and do the watch.
The fact that we have to swap belts is just ridiculous.
If we have to advertise these photos, I know very well that there's going to be people on this film that are going to be like, brown shoes, black belt, what a dick. Out. I think Dom got a couple of us walking towards a helicopter, which I think, no?
But like for film, like a cool like cinematic dark shot.
Turn around.
Actually, turn back around. That would make quite a good photo.
Very bright in my eyes. Should I put sunglasses on?
Nice. Okay.
Cool.
Look at that, well done, that's sick.
These iPhone cameras, portrait modes are insane, aren't they?
I know, I love it.
Yeah.
So Lucy's now the new model.
I'm impressed with it.
Well, we have to coordinate gram shots, by the way, because
Yeah, I know.
we can't do
Yeah,
it.
we
Post the
can't.
exact
We do it
same
all
one
at the same
on
time.
day.
Oh, we do it all at the same
Yeah,
time?
because otherwise people are going to see it first. It's got to be an unveiling.
Okay.
Yeah, I like
Plan
it.
the time, we do it together.
Alright,
Do you
6
have any
PM this
shots?
evening, it's all going
No,
out.
you need shots.
No.
Yes, you
Look, can we
do.
get
Dom,
you with
come
your
on.
camera around your neck? Just
No.
stand up.
You
No.
need shots.
No, no.
Come on.
No. I'm the cameraman. That's what I do. Stop it. I'm out of my comfort zone.
Take the vlog on. Let's go sit in the cockpit. Let's jet. Come on. haven't seen the inside yet, have you?
I did a little tour, but
Welcome to my jet. This is Avalanche Airlines. Oh, how do you get in? George, what's the best way of getting into the cockpit?
About 3 weeks of practice. It's not easy at all.
Do you want to take your shoes off?
No. Let me get it. And then. There you go.
wow.
It's just like driving a Porsche, this, isn't
It
it?
is. It is.
They're just on the steps.
Wow. Okay, thank you.
You can't get the watch and that.
No. So we have here is a 6-seater luxury helicopter that apparently is incredibly expensive to run. This could make it to probably the south of Europe, probably in one fuel stop, George was saying.
Proper stairs.
That's the one that we filmed coming in.
Yeah. I don't know the one behind it I'm talking about, but yeah.
But yeah, no,
Take a
they're
picture of me walking in. I know it'll be shadowed, but I want that.
actually both the same plane, though. Like, pretty much.
It's a bit like
Well in
today,
team,
so
well in
really
team,
cold.
well in team.
Oh, shoot.
We're finished up at the jet now, we're just going to shut it down, pack up, and get ready to go. And thank George for letting us film here.
We've had a bit of a wipe down kind of rejig of the office. It's been a we've got some big plans coming, people. We're hiring.
In on Monday, so her desk is now ready to go.
She's now ready to go. We've moved some people around, so now Holly's be sitting there. We've got Lucy, we've got Abby, we've got Jacob's going over in the corner. We're about to get some stickers done there, big stickers done there. Dom's moving over there. And yeah, just a bit of a rejig because we've got a couple of people starting, one tomorrow, one at the end of the month, and then yeah, big plans for the rest of this year. We've got the big BEF conference coming up in 2.5 weeks, and just we're on track for probably one of the biggest sales months yet. So basically, I'll give you a little bit of an update on this section though. So we're looking to like build a reception area, I think, because we want to have something that's gives a professional entrance. You've got this like this sofa and things here, but we want to create like a professional entrance, and because we've got more and more people coming to the office that we can walk through, and it's kind of splits up the main pen of work into a separation of entrance into madness. Keeps everything separate, which would be awesome. Good morning, it's Monday. We are just about to welcome a new member of staff in, and that's very exciting because I think the last member of staff we brought in was Holly, which is probably a month and a half ago. So new member of staff, new chairs, new computers in, all getting ready for probably one of the busiest months we ever had. We've increased our client base by about 15% in 1 month. The USA is really starting to rock for us, which is awesome. I'll definitely divulge what it is our marketing tactics are, because in reality we do what we do what we sell, to gain our own clients, which is one of the most important things. So yeah, this week's going to be good. First full week in a while. I'm happy with that. Get to have a full week, so it's properly structured. We are working on the business day Wednesday, so hopefully welcome this new member of staff in. She'll settle in, and then welcome the next one in a few weeks. So very exciting stuff. I like unboxing.
Yeah, I know. I thought you were going to do a proper unboxing video.
No, it's fine. Birthday. It's a very special kind of. It's a very special kind of Mac. Comes in this format.
Oh, okay, and then you get a monitor.
The monitor will be arriving shortly with all its cables. So.
When are screens coming?
Screens are coming later on today.
Oh, yeah, it's just an Apple hard drive, an overly expensive Apple hard drive. Yeah.
I don't know how you managed to unbox it. I'm really struggling to
With
find
scissors.
the opening bits.
You don't. You have to cut the bottom bit first. And then. We've had a very productive morning this morning, welcoming our new members of staff. All very exciting. Just gonna go out now and get some food, take a little car for a spin. Yeah, really productive. We've had a load of kit come through as well, so that's very exciting. One sec. Yeah, so we've actually basically redone all of our training, how the training works, and sort of the process around what happens when new staff come in. So it's been really interesting this morning, sort of teaching that new mindset kind of thing. So we will see, and then we will refine and get better for the next one, who starts in approximately 2 weeks. What do you want? I've got to say goodbye to the vlog, I think. Thank you very much for watching this week's vlog, people. I hope you enjoyed the private jet and some pictures of the car and saw what we were doing. It's been very eventful for us, and I'm really looking forward to showing you all these new staff and everyone as we move into this next quarter. So make sure you give us a thumbs up and a subscription if you haven't done already, and I'll see you next week.